Hello. The tools I present in the videos that I put here actually work, but one has to take them out of the toolbox in order to use them. I can promise you this: if you learn to transform the shocks that life throws at you, all of the negative occurrences and negative emotions that arise as a result, if you learn to use them as alarms, as shocks to awaken yourself, and to continue using them every time they come around, I guarantee you that you'll become stronger at doing this with time. And eventually you'll be grateful for having these as a reminder, instead of them consuming you and wasting your life and wasting your time here. So I wish you all the best and good luck in learning to use and practice using all the negative occurrences as fuel to burn your fire or to burn your light. I wish you well with this. Good luck.